Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing TrackGo Pro, a GPS tracking device designed to keep track of vehicles, loved ones, or valuables. At first glance, it looks like an all-in-one solution for personal and family safety. Starting with the pros. TrackGo Pro is compact, easy to hide, and can be installed without major effort. It uses real-time GPS tracking, which gives peace of mind if you want to know the exact location of a car or even a backpack. In our experience, the live tracking was generally accurate, and the mobile app interface was straightforward to use. Another benefit is its wide range of alerts, including geofencing, which lets you know if the device leaves a designated area. But now, the drawbacks. Battery life is one of the biggest issues. While it claims long usage, in practice, it drains quickly, especially with real-time tracking turned on. Another issue is connectivity. In areas with weaker signals, the GPS lags or fails, which defeats the purpose of precise tracking. The subscription cost also adds up quickly, making it less cost-effective compared to competitors. Overall, TrackGo Pro is a good GPS tracker with solid features, but the short battery life and high recurring cost make it less ideal for long-term use. This has been how to do things smart and simple and scam-free.